What's going on, my dudes? This is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about samples versus population. So first off, what's the difference? So the population is everyone. So if we were to look at St. Charles, that would be 30 kids per class times there's 2 classes at each grade level times we have pre-K through 8th grade, so that's a total of 10 different grade levels. So that would be 600 kids. So that's the population. A sample is a fraction of that. So if I want to interview people and I only interview 10 kids of the 600, that's a sample. So the difference between random and representative, random is there's 600 kids in our school, and I just randomly pick 10 kids. First 10 kids I see, or every 10th kid who's wearing the color yellow today. There's no real reason to it. It's random. Representative means it's random within each group. So for example, I'm going to interview 10 kids, 5 are going to be boys, 5 are going to be girls. So it's still the first 5 random girls, first 5 random boys, but there is at least some level of making sure that everyone's represented. So we are looking at to see the students at our school, so 600 kids. We randomly ask 2 students at every grade level. What type of representation of this? Is this random? No, because I've created a rule to it. So it's not just the first 2 kids I see, I need 2 first graders, 2 second graders, 2 third graders. So there is representation. And then the next question they're going to ask, is this a fair form of sampling? So fair means that we are going to represent 10% of the school. Always 10%. That's how we know it's fair. So 10% of the school would be 60 kids. So we said 2 for every grade level, and there's 11 grades at our school for 22 kids. So this is not fair. It means we didn't ask enough kids to get a fair representation. If we ask 60 kids, or 6 kids at each grade level, then we would have a better understanding of what the kids want in the student story. So other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.